So, welcome for today's class of mathematics. This is for class 9 mathematics, chapter 9, areas of parallelogram and triangles, exercise 9.2, question number 2. I will be solving today. Okay, first I'll take down the question. Okay, from this exercise 9.2, question number 2. If E, F, G, and H are respectively the midpoint of the side of a parallelogram ABCD. So you all will have a parallelogram A, B, C, D. Okay. And your E, F, G, H are the midpoints. Okay. E, F, G, H are the midpoint of this parallelogram. Okay. Next. Show that E, F, G, H. You all have to show that E, F, G, H is equal to half of. So this portion is equal to half of A, B, C, D. You'll have to show. Okay. So first thing what you are going to do is write down construct so first you all are going to join HF. Okay. Join this line. Which line you all have to join? This H and F you all have to join this line. So let me join this line. Okay. Next thing what you all are going to do is write down triangle HFG triangle HFG and parallelogram HFCD lie on the same base. Lie on the same base. HF and between the same parallels HF and CD. So let me explain you all this part. So what I said is, first you all have constructed HF, then triangle HFG. We have taken this portion, this triangle, and parallelogram HFCD. We have taken this parallelogram HFCD. Okay, now they lie on the same base HF. Now same base, both are having both parallelogram, and this triangle is having the same base, that will be your HF, and between the same parallel HF and CD. Okay, same way. Okay, now you all can say that therefore area HFG is equal to half of area HFCD. Take this as equation 1. Okay. So basically this is going to be, this area HFG is equal to half of this HFCD. So now same way you will be proving for this one, the down part. Okay. So I will be taking HFE now, and parallelogram. This will be a parallelogram. Okay. So let me write down first. Therefore, area on triangle HFE and parallelogram HFBA lie on the same lie on the same base HF, right? HF it is, and between same parallel HF and AB. Therefore, area HFE is equal to half of area HFBA. Take this as equation 2. Okay, I'll explain you all this. So now you all are going to adding 1 and 2. Okay. So let me explain you all before this. So first part, okay, we have done. Okay, we have taken it as equation 1. The same way we have taken HFE, right? HFE and parallelogram HFBA. Okay, HFE and parallelogram HFBA lie on the same base. Okay, it lie on the same base HF. Here write down base. Okay, so here you all can see that HF is the same base for this triangle as well as the parallelogram. Okay, so that's what I'll have written it over here. And between the same parallel HF and AB. So parallel is what? HF is parallel to AB, right? Both of them are parallel. Okay, so therefore you can say that this area HFE is equal to half of ABFH. That's what you all wrote over here. And you all have taken it as equation 2. Now you all are going to add this equation 1 and this equation 2 over here. Okay, so let me do it here, this side. Write down area HFG plus area HFE is equal to half of area HFCD plus what I'll have to do plus, here I'm not getting a place. Okay, that's why I'm writing it right over here. So area half it is, right? So it will be plus half of area HFBA. Okay, so what I have done over here is I am adding 1 and 2. So where is your 1? Area HFG plus area HFE. Area HFG plus area HFE is equal to, right side you'll add now, half of area HFCD plus half of area HFBA over here. Okay, y'all are adding this. Now here y'all can take this 2 common. Now half of area y'all can take common. Okay, so let me do it. First write down this as it is. Area. So this will be equal to what? Both combination of this will give you the entire portion EFGH. So it will give you EFGH. Okay. So you all write down here EFGH is equal to half of area HFCD plus HFBA. So I can write down area EFGH is equal to half of, this will give you area ABCD. Okay, you will get it from here, HFCD HFBA. Okay, so that's how you got this answer. So I hope you all, and thanks for watching.